Okay, so if you've seen my video on how to change the fuel filter on an 80 series Land Cruiser, you will have seen this fuel filter before. Now today I'm going to cut it open, just slit it open. Now I worked out that it's only done about 6,000 kilometres in the last 2 years, but I changed it anyway. It'd be interesting to see how much muck actually is in this filter. The reason that it was only 6,000 Ks is due to everything that happened in the world over the last 2 years. Didn't do much driving. So let's cut it open and see what we find. Now I'm going to be cutting it open just here on a bit of concrete. Probably should use a bench, but I don't have one clear at the moment. I've got too many other projects happening. So I want to be careful I don't cut my finger off here. If I do, it'll make a great YouTube video. There you have the inside of the filter, and as you can see, there's this white guck around it. Oh, that's the glue, but just near the glue there, it is fairly black. Now I've put a bit of this other black in it, but yeah, that filter almost looks like it still had a bit of life left. It was only a little bit clogged up. You can see up to there. In there, apart from the muck, not real bad. We'll keep going. It seems to be about the same all the way down. So that means the fuel comes up there, down there, I think. Not sure which way this was. And then the black is, so the filter's not too bad. But that's all that's inside a filter. So there you go, guys. So there you have it, one filter completely destroyed. I didn't cut any of my fingers off, which is a good thing. The filter I found was only almost used. It probably had a bit more life left in it, but still a good idea to replace your filter about every 30 to 40,000 kilometres. Replace them anyway, just in case. Keep that fuel flowing through your 80 series Land Cruiser. Hope you've enjoyed my video. Get out there, have fun 4-wheel driving.